How to create a shortcut in Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can create a shortcut in Snapchat. So if you are also wondering on how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to create shortcut in Snapchat as well. So just follow the step-by-step guide that I will be showing on a screen right now. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your device. And if you have not logged in, you can just simply log in into your account. Once you log in, you just need to simply create up a snap that you normally do, or create a certain snap. And after you have created a snap, for example, like this one right here. So what you're gonna do is send that snap. Tap on send at the bottom right corner of your screen, and when you tap on it, you can find a plus icon here. So you can just go ahead and tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can find this shortcut option, new shortcut. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and in order to create a new shortcut, you're just going to select the people that you want to add up in your shortcut, and you need to choose an emoji to use a shortcut. So you can use up any of the emoji available on your screen, and once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on create shortcut, and your shortcut has been created. So whenever you want to send a snap, what you can do is tap on send to and tap on the emoji shortcut that you have just typed in and created. And once you have done that, you can just select all of the people from the shortcut and send it, and that is it. So that is how you can create a shortcut on your Snapchat very easily, which is a very super simple step you can follow up in order to create in Snapchat as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.